Hi friends, എല്ലാവർക്കും Binny Match Grammarലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. So today we are going to look the use of should. Should is an auxiliary verb and it is the past tense of the auxiliary verb shall. When we think our thought is the right or our thought is the best, we can use what? Should. When we think our thought is the right or the best, we can use should. Let us go to some rules. Remember one more thing, should does not change with the person and number of the subject. Should does not change with the person and number of the subject. Let us have a look. I should study. You should study, we should study, he should study, she should study, they should study. So, should does not change with the person and number of the subject. So, let us go to the rules. To express probability, when we expect something, we can use should. You should be here at 10 a.m. There should be some milk. To express obligations or advice, we can use should. You should not smoke. You should stop drinking. Then, to express duty, we can use should. You should study. You should work hard. Should is the only auxiliary we can use with the conjunction lest. Should is the only auxiliary we can use with the conjunction lest. Lest has a negative meaning and in modern English it is not commonly used. Work hard lest you should fail. Watch and pray lest you should fall into temptations. So remember, should is the only auxiliary we can use with the conjunction lest. Should can be used in past also. When we say you should study, it means you should study today, you should study tomorrow. And when we have to express that thing in past tense, we have to say you should have studied yesterday. So, to express past actions, we have to use should have plus V3. You should have studied yesterday. You should have told her yesterday. Then we can go to think plus should. I think you should do it. I don't think you should do it. We cannot say I think you shouldn't do it. It is wrong. I don't think you should do it. Should is not equal to have to or must. Should is not equal to have to or must. But should is equal to ought to. You should study, you can change it as, or you can use in the place of should, you can use ought to. You ought to study. But ought to is more formal. So what all things we have studied? Should is the past tense of the auxiliary verb shall. And when we think our thought is right and the best, we can use should. Should is used to express probability, advice, duty, obligations. To make questions also we can use should. Should I go there? Should we answer that question? And should is the only auxiliary verb when we auxiliary verb used with the conjunction lest. And the usage of think plus should also we have studied. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് പഠിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് ഡു ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്. താങ്ക് യു. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.